Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a income generating multifamily residence for sale. It is located in Bogue Heights, St. James. This is a upscale residential community which seldom has properties on the market for sale. This is a rare find that will attract multiple interests. This property consists of 5 apartments as follows: one 5-bedroom, 4 bathroom, one 2-bedroom, 2 bathroom, one 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom, and 2 studio apartments. In total, you have 11 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms. Given the rental market, this property can generate income up to Jamaican 400,000 monthly. The beautiful sea view greets you on entering the property. The cool, tranquil environment offers a relaxed feeling that creates a charm that makes you want to call this place home. This residence can be your home while you earn from long-term renters or an Airbnb operation with your guests, enjoying a clear view of the harbor with cruise ships docking weekly. The property is on 0.86 acres of land with enough space to create a large swimming pool if desired. The property is 50 minutes away from Sangster's International Airport. Guys, let's take a look at this property, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this property is US 900,000 or Jamaican $138.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.